Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we draw an arc using start point, center point and angle. So for that, we have this figure where you have to draw. So we'll select home button and then we have to click on this arrow below this arc. Now the third option, that is start center angle. Just click on that. Then this command box will be activated by that command start center angle. So let's suppose this is the starting point and this is the center point. Now we have to give an angle, particular angle. Like if you select from here, then it goes till here 90 degree, then till here it's 0 degree, then here 270 and it's 360 degree. So it's totally depend upon you what angle you choose. I'm choosing here 270 degree, enter. As you can see from here till here it's 270 degree. Again, if I want to increase or decrease that angle, again I'll select it, first point, center point and the angle. Let's suppose here I'm taking 90 degree and enter. So this way you can create an arc using starting point, center point and angle. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.